Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove icons on Windows 10 or 11 without deleting them. So it's a really easy method. All you have to do is right click on your desktop, then go on to view, then just click on show desktop icons. Now all the icons will be disappeared, but they are not deleted, they're still there, but you cannot access them like this. So to get them back you have to right click on your desktop, go into view, and just click on show desktop icons again. So this was the method of how you display icons without deleting them or hiding them. So this was the quick method of how you hide desktop icons on Windows 10 or 11 without deleting them. And if you have hidden them accidentally, now you know the method on how to unhide them too. If you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, as we'll be uploading a lot more videos like this which will help you out.